Now moving on, today in our entrepreneur section, this is a special interview segment wherein we'll see what is the concept of green housing.
Building sector is a major contributor for the climate change and local environmental degradation because of the materials that are used in it. There is a need for gradual shift towards greener buildings and greener environment. What could possibly help in this, bringing about this change in the green environment? There are green buildings, which could be one way. To talk more about green buildings, we are joined by Nilanajan, who is an architecture by profession, and he'll be telling more about the green buildings concept that he has come up with. So, welcome to DD News, Mr. Nilanajan. I would start with the green buildings, the concept of green buildings. How did it come across this, and what was the basic idea behind that?
See, the building industry is fairly disorganized in India, and the green building movement has been around for at least 10 years. And it started with this whole issue about giving minimum impact on the environment. Your building footprint should have minimum carbon. You can build everything that is green, which doesn't give back anything to the environment, any waste. Rather, most of our projects that we have designed are self-sustainable, so it generates its own electricity. It does not discharge any waste into the public sewage system. We are recycling all the wastewater.
What was the basic inspiration? Because the green building concept is quite new in India.
See, sustainability is a lifestyle. You have to live that kind of a lifestyle to save. And I feel in India, for generations, we have been conserving energy. I remember when we were in our childhood, I used to wear some clothes handed over by my elder brother, who was wearing clothes handed over by my elder cousin. You know, so it's down the generations. That's a kind of energy conservation, because every material is used to its fullest potential.
So what were the challenges that you faced?
See, the biggest challenge is that these technologies are slightly more expensive than conventional technologies. A green building costs about 10 to 15% more than a conventional building. So that's the initial resistance that people have. After that, once it is built, then over a period of 5 to 6 years, it pays back for that initial investment. But it's that initial capital investment which is a deterrent for most people.
Well, thank you, Nilanajan, for speaking to DD News. Hope to see more greener buildings so that we can help environment, Mother Earth, nurture further there. Thank you very much for speaking to DD News. Thanks.
चलिए, ग्रीन बिल्डिंग का कॉन्सेप्ट कई सारी रियल एस्टेट कंपनी नई नई तकनीक का इस्तेमाल कर रही हैं। अभी ग्रीन कॉन्सेप्ट लेकर के आ रहे हैं, कोई इको विलेज बना रहा है तो कोई ग्रीन विलेज बना रहा है। तो रियल एस्टेट कंपनियां क्योंकि जूझ रही हैं काफ़ी ज़्यादा कर्ज से, एक अच्छा खासा दबाव है रियल एस्टेट को लेकर के, ओवर सप्लाई है कहीं ना कहीं, तो उसकी वजह से कुछ ना कुछ नई तरकीबें सोच रही, जिसकी वजह से जो ग्राहक है उसको आकर्षित किया जा सके। अविनाश, आपके पास ही आना चाहूँगा, आपसे समझना चाहूँगा, रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया